Andy, maybe not the result that you were looking for, your last home game of the season, but I just have to congratulate you on behalf of all of us here, Scorio. You know, obviously you knew basically before kick-off today, following results that Aberystwyth had beaten Drenewydd, Newtown, that you were staying and that you survived here for another season. I'm sure you're very, very proud, and what a day for yourself, for the team and for the community. It's been a brilliant season for yourself.
Yeah, massive for the football club. You know, we've set out what we wanted to achieve. You know, we've got there, we've done it with a game to spare. Yes, we knew just as kick going on that it was all done, so today's result didn't really depend on it. But the truth of it is, for us to achieve what we've done with not really having a point on the board after 6 games has been remarkable by the boys, and you know, all credit to the lads really.
Lee, thank you very much for your time. I'm sure you're very, very happy with the 3 points at the end. It was high emotions, obviously, because Llansawel knew just before kick-off that pretty much they were safe. But you took care of it, and perhaps you should have scored a little bit more during the game as well.
Especially first half. I think it's the most goal chances we've created all season in terms of just outlook of the game. It did have a bit of a subdued game to it, feel to it. But obviously they give us everything that we worked on anyway in terms of a high line and getting in behind with Reevesy and JJ. I'm pleased because obviously we wanted to continue that winning field because we want to make an impression next season as well. So it's important that we show the people who are here and also the people we're looking to bring in that we are now just want to stay up. We want to go and do something again and push on. That's not unrealistic targets. That's just making sure now we can maybe be a sustained Welsh Premier League team.
Jake, llongyfarchiadau, triphwynt I orffen y tymor, wel, fwy neu lai orffen y tymor. Siwt perfformiad oedd hi heddi?
Ie, oeddwn ni'n gwybod, efo'r toriad rhwng y gemau o'r gêm dwytha, paratoi'r gêm yma, yn saff yn y gyngrair, mi oedd hi am bod yn anodd heddiw, ac oeddwn ni'n gwybod bod Llansawel yn mynd i fod reit amdani oherwydd y sefyllfa oedden nhw ynddi, ac oeddwn ni wedi paratoi yn galed yn ystod yr wythnos, yn paratoi ar gyfer y cae a sut oeddwn mynd i chwarae allan, ac dyna yn union fel mi oedd hi heddiw. Lot o cyfleoedd i'r ddau tîm, ac dwi jyst yn falch, fel ti'n dweud, bod ni wedi gorffen taith lawr yn De Cymru tuag at diwedd y tymor efo 3 phwynt pwysig eto.
Got one more game to play. You're going to be in Barry next week. I'm sure you're going to have some celebration tonight before that, though, because, you know, it's well deserved.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, as I said, the job is done, and the boys are going to enjoy themselves today because the work that they've put in all year, it's been the toughest season we've had. I'd argue that this is probably our greatest achievement on top of what we did last year as a football club. The women themselves have been fantastic. So as a club itself, you know, we can only be proud of everything that's been achieved all around.